Hello, Miss Lahart here coming at you for LT3, and I can solve multi-step equations, which just basically means a couple different steps. So I need to switch number 7 and number 5 just for reasons. So hopefully I can remember it, but here we go. All right, guys. So sometimes in a problem, you might have the situation where you have distribution. So for example, these guys right here, we can take and we can multiply by distribution. We've done the distribution property before. I'm going to bring down that -4 to 4. 8 times 3, again, we multiply. So 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 8 is 64, but then I have to attach the n with it, so it's a positive 64n. Okay, you multiply using the distributive property, and now we're solving a two-step equation. I got to get rid of adding and subtracting, so we're going to subtract 24 from both sides. Okay, next move, we've got to get rid of multiplying by 64, so we have to divide both sides by 64, and we end up with -7 equal n. -7 equal n. Okay. Choice number 2. Question number 2, excuse me. Again, a distribution. Watch those signs. This is -6 times -4, which is positive 24. -6 times -3 is a positive 18, and attach an x with it. Okay, so signs come into play, and if you ignore signs, things will go bad for you. Do not ignore your signs. Okay, on the right side here, we would have to subtract 24. We would get 150 minus 24, which is 126. Drop down that 18x. To get rid of multiplication, we're going to use division. So we're going to divide both sides by 18. 126 divided by 18 is 7. 7 equals x. Okay. Question number 3. Again, a distribution on the left side. So we've got 5 times 8 would be 40m. 5 times -4 is a -20. And then we drop down everything else. And then again, you get rid of adding and subtracting first. So we add 20. And then we divide both sides by 40. We end up with m equals -6. Okay. Choice number 4, on that right side, we're going to distribute by -3. -3 times 1 is -3. -3 times -4 is a positive 12. So positive 12v. And there's our answer right there. To get rid of a -3 on that right side, we're going to add 3 to both sides. Oh, that's a typo. Hold on, let me fix that. Okay. Ooh, you guys saw Fix Live. We add 3 to both sides, so we get -96. And then we divide both sides by 12, and we end up with -8 equals v. -8 equals v. All right. Oops, sorry. Okay. Underneath that, I think I did a U try. All right. We're switching number 5 and number 7. Okay, hold on. Don't look at the screen. Don't look at the screen. I need you to go to number 7. Okay, here we go. All right, so these ones add a little bit more. So you still have that distribution. So for this one, again, we're going to multiply through by -3. So we got -3 times 2 is definitely -6. -3 times -5 is a positive 15x. And then we drop down the positive 6. Okay, now some of these you will have to combine things. So for example, on the right side here, I got a lot of stuff going on. What can I combine? Well, if we, there they are. Sorry that didn't come up earlier. -6 and a positive 6, those create 0. So really they just like go away. So then I drop down my 15x. And then what do I have to do? Divide both sides by 15. 90 divided by 15 gets you a 6. Okay. That's our first example. Now go back to 5. Let's go back to, no, let's go to 6. Sorry, let's go to 6. Holy moly. All right, looking at number 6 again, we got to distribute first. So 6 times 4, we would get 24. 6 times -7 is a -42n. And then we drop down that -7. Okay. 24 minus 7, so 24 minus 7, those combine to give you 17. Okay. Then we subtract 17. And then we divide both sides by -42. Dividing both sides by -42, you end up with -2 equals n. All right. So 7 and 8. Okay. Okay, 7 we already did. Switch 5. Let's go back to 5. I'm so sorry about this, guys. All right, 6 times 7. 6 times 7. So we distribute 6 times 7, you get 42. 6 times 6, you get 36. So that's 36A. We drop down the negative 30A and then the 174. All right, what can I combine? What can I combine? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we got 36A minus 3A. What is 36A minus 3A? That's 33A. Then we're going to subtract 42 by both sides. And then how do you get rid of multiplication? We're going to use division. Dividing both sides by 33, you end up with A equals 4. So wait, we've done 5, 6, and 7. So there's number 8. Do that as a U try. Do number 8 as a U try. Do number 8 as a U try. Here it is. Okay, pause the video. Go ahead and do number 8 as a U try. All right, here we go. We're going to distribute by 7 on this one. So 7 times 7, you get 49. 7 times 4, you get 28. Okay, and you drop down to negative 7K. 28K minus 7K, combining those terms, you would end up with 21K. And now we're at a two-step equation where we subtract 49 and we divide both sides by 21. We end up with 6 equal K. 6 equal K. Other than that, that's your lesson. I hope you have a great day. It's hard out.